The Dell K20A, also known as the WD-19TB, is a Thunderbolt 3 docking station designed to expand your Dell laptop's connectivity. It transforms a single Thunderbolt 3 port into multiple connections for devices like monitors, keyboards, and peripherals. Key features include support for dual 4K monitors, multiple USB ports for peripherals, and 100 watts power delivery to keep your laptop charged. The dock includes various ports such as HDMI, USB-C, Ethernet, and audio jacks for comprehensive connectivity options. Powered by Thunderbolt 3 technology, it offers high-speed data transfer, advanced display capabilities, and seamless integration with your laptop. The Dell K20A docking station expands your laptop's connectivity with a comprehensive set of ports. Let's examine the key features and ports that make this dock versatile for multiple displays, storage devices, and peripherals. At the core is the Thunderbolt 3 upstream port, which connects directly to your laptop's compatible port. This single cable provides high-speed data transfer and powers the entire dock. Two USB-C ports support 100-watt power delivery, enabling fast charging for your laptop while providing high-speed data transfer for peripherals like external drives. Two USB-A 3.0 ports ensure compatibility with legacy devices, keyboards, mice, and printers that still use the traditional USB connector. HDMI port delivers 4K video at 60 Hz, perfect for connecting modern monitors or TVs for high-resolution displays. DisplayPort also supports 4K at 60 Hz, allowing you to connect additional monitors for multi-display setups. Gigabit Ethernet provides stable, high-speed wired network connectivity, ideal for reliable internet access during video calls or large file transfers. Audio jacks include headphone and microphone ports for connecting speakers, headsets, or external audio devices. Some models include an optional SD card slot, allowing direct access to memory cards from cameras or other devices for quick file transfers. Together, these ports enable you to connect multiple displays, storage devices, and peripherals, transforming your laptop into a powerful workstation setup. First, ensure your Dell laptop supports Thunderbolt 3. This is essential for the dock to function properly. Next, confirm you have the AC adapter for the dock and a Thunderbolt cable. These are included with your purchase. Finally, connect the AC adapter to the dock's power input. This provides power to the docking station and prepares it for connection to your laptop. Connect the Thunderbolt cable from the dock to your laptop's Thunderbolt 3 port. The dock should power on automatically once connected. This establishes the primary connection for data transfer and power delivery. After connecting the dock, install the necessary drivers. For Windows users, download the latest Dell Docking Station software from Dell's official website. You can also use Windows Update to automatically install the required drivers. For Mac OS, keep your Thunderbolt software current by checking for system updates. These updates improve performance and stability and address security concerns. In 2025, Dell addressed security issues with encrypted driver updates. Attach your keyboard, mouse, and Ethernet cable to the dock's USB and Ethernet ports. The K20A provides multiple USB-A and USB-C ports for peripherals, plus Gigabit Ethernet for stable internet connection. Connect your monitors to the dock's HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. The K20A supports dual monitors, each capable of 4K resolution at 60 Hz, providing crisp visuals for productivity and multimedia work. For multiple monitors, utilize daisy chaining through DisplayPort. Connect the first monitor to the dock, then chain additional monitors from the first monitor's DisplayPort out, reducing cable clutter and simplifying your setup. Verify that each device works correctly by checking display settings in your operating system and testing keyboard, mouse, and network connections. Ensure monitors detect properly and peripherals respond as expected. The Dell K20A is positioned as a reliable mid-tier dock, offering essential connectivity without premium pricing, making it suitable for hybrid work and home office setups. If you encounter problems with your Dell K20A docking station, start by checking Device Manager on Windows for driver conflicts or insufficient power warnings. Look for yellow exclamation marks indicating issues. On macOS, check System Information under Hardware to verify all components are recognized and functioning properly. Update the dock's firmware through Dell's website or support app to resolve stability issues and improve security. Use Dell's Support Assist application for comprehensive diagnostics and automated troubleshooting steps. Regular firmware updates are crucial as they enhance both stability and security, preventing future issues. To get the most out of your Dell K20A docking station, take advantage of its 100-watt pass-through charging capability. This feature allows the dock to power your laptop directly, keeping it charged during extended use without needing separate power adapters. Use the docking station as a central hub to keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. Connect all your peripherals to the dock instead of directly to the laptop, reducing cable tangles and making it easier to switch between work setups. Looking ahead, future docking stations like the upcoming K20A Gen 2 will support Thunderbolt 4, offering faster data transfer speeds and broader compatibility with devices. Expect faster charging capabilities, up to 140 watts, and wireless connectivity options that eliminate the need for physical cables for some peripherals. Sustainability will play a bigger role, with docks made from recycled materials. The K20A is evolving from a simple hub into an intelligent workspace extender that integrates with cloud services and AI for smarter connectivity.